Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we are inside a BMW. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. And you're probably wondering, where is that emergency light indicator? If there's some type of emergency going on, you're looking around and you're like, oh my God, where do I press that button? It's up here, right here. If you press that button in, you'll see two flashing indicator lights. That is your emergency lights, and it'll flash back, and your rear lights will flash, and it'll indicate to other drivers that you are, in fact, letting them know that there is an emergency and that there is something going on in the surrounding area, and that they should be aware of caution and danger, that there is something going on, a medical emergency or some type of environmental, who knows, but you're letting, or your own car is broke down, or you're just letting them know, hey, there's icy roads, or there's a tornado approaching, or whatever. It's right there. And all you gotta do is press that button. That's the button you press. And this is a BMW. And you have yourself a great and wonderful day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. We are in a BMW. And I am letting you know where the seatbelt is. Where is the seatbelt in this car? Well, let me show you a hint. I am in the passenger seat, and down here is where the seatbelt goes in. Right here. It latches in there, and your seatbelt is over here. It's on the side. There it is. They're usually on the side, and you gotta pull them down just like so. You gotta pull them down, and they go right in there, just like that. And then to release, you do go like that, and it releases it. That's how you put your seatbelt on. Same thing is over there. There's your seatbelt. Comes down, and it goes into the seatbelt thing. That's how you do that. That's what your seatbelt is all about in a BMW. That's where your seatbelt is in this fancy vehicle. It's got breakaway storage and all kind of pretty cool stuff there. See, look at that. So that's where your seatbelt is, and you have yourself a great day, a great and wonderful day. And this is Matthumanpizza. I have a video showing you where the steering wheel is, where the emergency indicator light is, what the auto hold button means, and a few other ones in this fantastic vehicle. So I want you guys to have a very great day. Oh, and the backup sensor, if it's going off, if the sensor light's going off, you don't have to get it to go off. It's showing up on your display, which is not displaying right now. You press this button right here, and it'll get it to stop. It'll get that sensor in the back, because you have backup sensors in this vehicle where you're backing up, and it'll go beep, 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 or collision sensors. When you're getting close to something, it'll go beep, 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 letting you know, and it'll actually display. It'll have like a green lights, and then yellow and red, or some type of lights that show you that you're getting close to something. But that's where the seatbelt is, right there. They're usually on the side, and in the back, there's one, and there's one over there. You get the idea. They're all over the place, these seatbelts. So that's how you find the seatbelts in a BMW. I want you guys to have a great day, and remember, let's get to it, let's do it, And this is Matthumanpizza. I make videos all the time, and different cars, different styles of videos, and just all kinds of stuff. So, give me a comment, and hopefully some of these videos will help you. I mean, I'm giving you an inside look at these vehicles. This one has all kinds of neat little things. So I want you guys to have a great day.